Best foods to boost your mood. When you're feeling low, it's easy to turn to food to make you feel better. However, the sugary, high-calorie sweets to which many people turn have their own set of detrimental repercussions. Particular foods have been demonstrated to benefit general brain health as well as certain forms of mood disorders. Here are 9 of the best foods to boost your mood. 1. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of important fats that your body cannot create on its own and must be obtained from your diet. Fatty fish, such as salmon and albacore tuna, are high in 2 forms of omega-3 fatty acids that have been shown to reduce depression. Omega-3s appear to play a critical function in brain development and cell signaling by contributing to the fluidity of your brain's cell membrane. 2. Dark chocolate. Many mood-enhancing ingredients may be found in chocolate. Sugar is a rapid source of fuel for your brain, thus it may increase your mood. It may also produce a cascade of feel-good compounds including caffeine and theobromine, both of which have been tied to better mood. Finally, chocolate has a high hedonic rating, which means that its pleasant taste, texture, and aroma may also help to improve one's mood. 3. Fermented foods. Kimchi, yogurt, kefir, kombucha, and sauerkraut are examples of fermented foods that may boost gut health and happiness. Fermentation allows living bacteria to flourish in foods, allowing them to convert carbohydrates into alcohol and acids. These living microorganisms help good bacteria develop in your stomach and may raise serotonin levels. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that influences several aspects of human behavior, including mood, stress response, hunger, and sexual desire. 4. Bananas. Bananas may be able to make you smile again. They're abundant in vitamin B6, which aids in the production of feel-good neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin. Also, a large banana contains 16 grams of sugar and 3.5 grams of fiber. Sugar is delivered slowly into the circulation when combined with fiber, allowing for more stable blood sugar levels and improved mood regulation. 5. Oats. Oats are a complete grain that can boost your mood throughout the day. They come in a variety of forms, including overnight oats, oatmeal, muesli, and granola. They're a good source of fiber, with 8 grams in just 1 uncooked cup. Fiber slows carbohydrate digestion, allowing for a steady release of sugar into the circulation and maintaining energy levels. Blood sugar levels were shown to be more steady, which is helpful for managing mood swings and irritation. 6. Berries. Surprisingly, eating more fruits and vegetables has been associated to reduce depression rates. Antioxidant-rich foods may help regulate inflammation linked to depression and other mood disorders. Berries are high in antioxidants and phenolic compounds, which help to balance out the toxic substances in your body. Berries are high in anthocyanins, which fight illness and may lessen your risk of depression. 7. Nuts and seeds. Plant-based proteins, healthful fats, and fiber are abundant in nuts and seeds. They also include tryptophan, an amino acid that is important for the production of mood-enhancing serotonin. Almonds, cashews, peanuts, and walnuts are good sources, as are pumpkin, sesame, and sunflower seeds. 8. Coffee. Coffee is the most popular beverage on the planet, and it may also make the world a happier place. Caffeine in coffee stops a naturally occurring substance called adenosine from binding to brain receptors that cause fatigue, enhancing alertness and attentiveness. It also boosts the release of mood-enhancing neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. 9. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are rich of feel-good nutrients in addition to being high in fiber and plant-based protein. They're high in B vitamins, which boost mood by raising levels of neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which are all vital for mood regulation. When you're feeling down, you might desire high-calorie, high-sugar meals like ice cream or cookies to try to improve your spirits, but these are unlikely to help in the long run. Instead, choose healthful meals that have been found to improve not just your mood, but also your general health. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.